3.
I just had a chakra tune up, and I will tell you what, it was amazing. The information that I got, a lot of it was very accurate and on point and enlightening. And the information regarding past, also enlightening and warms my heart. I enjoyed my tune up, my reading. It has definitely enlightened me, relaxed me. I feel energetic and open, knowing that my happy place is my animals and my home is nice, and also knowing that everything I've gone through recently, I'm healing from, and it's going well. So I'm very happy and recommend this for anyone. It's amazing.